Hi everyone, welcome to everyone. Myself Gokulakrishnan or from India. This is my new YouTube channel and this is my first video. In this YouTube channel, I am going to teach you about what are all the documentation will be needed for making the business in import and export. So this YouTube channel for beginners who are going to learn about what are the import export and who are the businessmen doing the import export business, and this video will be helpful for our career to know what all the documentation will be needed, and also I am going to teach you about how the mail conversation we will do to our business, and without mistake our shipment will be safely to given to provided to our buyer. So making the documentation is more important without error in this import export traders. Why I am choose this career means import export traders will be supporting by government side also and helping from central government mainly, and doing import export rather than making the money, the business and we and buyers have both maintain a good relationship in this business is to make establish in the earth. So I am going to teach you about what are the documentation will be needed. I will be step by step. I will teach you from now onwards. So let's see what are all the documentation will be needed for import export. First one will be commercial invoice. In this commercial invoice, all details will be there, like consignor, consignee, and container number, bill of lading, invoice number, and what are the material we have been used, and the quantity and quantity, and amount, total amount and all. And second one is packing list. The packing list will be mentioned how much quantity and unit will be there, and the country of origin means like Hong Kong to India, or Hong Kong to Palwal, like that. No certificate means while shipping our material, it contains no harmful materials, so we will need to get mention the certificate also. And in form 6, same as the container consignee details and the bill of lading, and another declaration will be mainly added in both form 6 and form 9 also, same things only. So in this our first video, I am going to learn what are all the certificate will be needed for import and export. So in this video, we have been learned for what are all the documents needed for import and export, and if you have any doubt, please give me in the comments, and kindly share and subscribe, and give the bell icon button. So this in upcoming days I am going to teach you about 8 document. In upcoming videos I am going to teach you about each and every invoices certificate, how it will be we can do, and that is all in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. Kindly please support me. Thank you so much.